This is the Realme C3. This budget smartphone is the latest entry in the brand's Value C series. The Realme C3's box contains a SIM ejector, a user manual, a micro USB cable, and the power brick. There is no jelly case included, but the phone's plastic build feels pretty solid. The Realme C3 sports a 6.5-inch display with a mini drop notch. It has slim bezels on the side, giving users a big screen real estate. The screen is also protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The phone's rear design is reminiscent of the Realme 5i. It looks like light is shining from the phone's cameras. A fingerprint scanner is also found at the back. There are 3 cameras at the rear, a 12-megapixel wide camera, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Meanwhile, housed in the notch is a 5-megapixel camera. The Realme C3 is the first smartphone to be powered by the new MediaTek Helio G70 processor, a chip made for budget gaming smartphones. The phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery with reverse charging, so you can use the phone as a power bank to charge other devices. The Realme C3 also ships with Realme UI, a new overlay that's built on top of Android 10. The Realme C3 is available in frozen blue and blazing red.